Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafizh Luthfi Adriansyah from 11 TEDK B. I will here explain about the present tense, recount text, simple future tense, passive voice, and conditional sentence type 2 and 3. Happy watching. Okay, number 1 is simple present tense. What is a simple present tense? Simple present tense is tenses that are used when an event is happening right now, or an event that is happening repeatedly. Okay, this is the simple present tense formula. For positive sentence, using verb 1 has a formula subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. For negative sentence has a formula subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For interrogative sentence has a formula do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. As for the simple present tense formula that does not use verb 1, for positive sentence use subject plus to be plus adjective or adverb. For negative sentence, use subject plus to be plus not plus adjective or adverb. For interrogative sentence, use to be plus subject plus adjective or adverb. In positive sentence, if the subject use I, then the to be use am. If the subject use he, she, it, then the to be use is. If the subject use you, they, we, then the to be use are. In the negative and interrogative sentence, if the subject use I, you, they, we, then the to be use do. If the subject he, she, it, then the to be use does. I will tell you a little about my habit during school holiday. I buy food and drink for my breakfast. I usually buy 1 pack of yellow rice with vegetable and meat inside. After having breakfast, I clean my room and take a bath. Okay, number 2 is recount text. What is a recount text? Recount text is a type of text in English that tells a story, action, or activity. Usually tell a text about a person's experience. Recount text has a generic structure. Number 1 is orientation. Orientation usually tells about background information. Number 2 is event. Event usually tell the history that happened in chronological order. Number 3 is reorientation. Reorientation, it is the conclusion of the story. I will tell you about beautiful activities in the past. Last month was a New Year holiday. I and my family went to Pangandaran Beach for a vacation. We took a tourism bus to go there. We left at 7 o'clock in the morning. The trip took about 4 hours and we arrived at around 11 a.m. As we arrived there, I walked down to the beach. It was a nice sunny day with a blue sky and a gentle breeze. I saw some seagulls float around hunting for fish. The waves there were suitable for swimming, but I didn't swim because I could not swim and only play with the water on shallow part. We also didn't miss our opportunity here taking some picture with the background of scenic Pangandaran Beach. Okay, next, number 3 is simple future tense. What is a simple future tense? Simple future tense is a sentence used to indicate events that will occur in the future. This is formula simple future tense. For positive sentence, using will has a formula subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. For negative sentence, using will, subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For an interrogative sentence, using will has a formula will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Next, for positive sentence, using going to has a formula subject plus to be plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. for negative sentence using going to has a formula subject plus to be plus not plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Next, for the interrogative sentence using going to has a formula to be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. To be in the simple future tense is I using am. If he, she, it using to be is. You, they, we using to be are. I will tell you my plans for the future. In the future, I will work in a company. After that, I will buy a house. And finally, I will make my own business. Number 4 is passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a sentence in which we emphasize the target rather than the verb approving the culprit. To be able to form passive voice, we need transitive verb. This is the passive voice formula. Subject perpetrators plus verb plus object. Or subject target plus be plus verb 3 by agent. Okay, number 5 is conditional sentence. But I just explained conditional sentence type 2 and conditional sentence type 3. What is conditional sentence type 2? Conditional sentence type 2 is used to say something that is very unlikely to occur. Conditional sentence type 2 has a formula if plus past tense and then past future, or past future plus if plus past tense. Okay, for the last, what is conditional sentence type 3? Conditional sentence type 3 is used to suppose something that is contrary to what has happened. This is the formula conditional sentence type 3. If plus past perfect and then future perfect, or future perfect plus if plus past perfect. Okay, that is all from me. Sorry if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.